Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how you can check Facebook video views. So if you're unable to watch the views in your Facebook, then this video is absolutely for you. This is a basic guide to tell you where the views are basically and how you can watch the views. So you have to just simply open a Facebook app on your mobile phone. So after opening a Facebook app on your mobile phone, you have to simply open up the video in which you want to check the video views. So I have just simply opened a video. Here you guys can see this is the video. So I want to check the views of this video. So the views are right above the share button. You guys can see this video has 913 views. So basically there are views. Lots of people are unable to watch views. They consider the likes to views. So in this video there are 62 likes and people assume that there are 62 views. So this is the misconception, and the official views are which are above to share button, which is 913 views. So you guys can see this. In this way you guys can check views of any Facebook video. So I hope this methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.